Today marks the first day that we're starting the beam swap officially, because we're gonna be cleaning out the engine bay in the Corolla. Just trying to make it look nice and good because the rest of the car looks nice and good now. And this looks bad. I started doing it a little bit here just to see like what was under all this black shit. And the paint looks pretty good in here, so we're just gonna kind of try to restore it as best we can. We got some of this shit from O'Reilly's or wherever we just went. And then we also got the pressure washer with us, so we're gonna do some of that as well and just see how it goes, really.
We should wear gloves.
Okay.
After reading this for a few seconds, hopefully it doesn't take your paint off. It probably won't.
Yeah, this is what it's for.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, we couldn't find the right kind of gloves. So Quentin has gloves that are just going to soak up any bad chemicals and
give my hands a bath in it.
Yeah, and I'm just not going to use gloves. Yeah, we just
start spraying, I guess.
Yeah, so that motor mount right there, though, you're not going to run that, are you? Because the new motor mounts?
Yeah.
So you should probably take that out. Yeah, everything else is probably fine to get squirted. Yo, speaking of Corolla engine bays, check out Dylan from Australia, the homie, on Go Time. We'll link in the description. His car recently caught on fire, and they've just been cleaning it and rebuilding it and everything, and it's so nice and therapeutic and beautiful to watch.
I wonder if this motor mount's ever been removed before.
I doubtful it. I'm about to find out, probably. Actually looking pretty clean under there.
Alright, I was looking at this, and it's kind of very, very caked, so I'm gonna do some of this. Oh. Before we spray it.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez, look at that. We have a special guest arriving soon.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh my god, look at that. Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Just guys being dudes.
This is gunk engine degreaser. We got this at O'Reilly's.
Yeah,
Do not start your engine after you've applied gunk.
Okay. No problem. I just saw like don't breathe. The can has to be level. It smells good.
Big donk. Can I just spray everything?
Probably.
Got a little bit in my mouth.
Really?
Just kidding.
Oh. So my idea was use that thicky, chunky, hunky gunk for the heavy duty shit, and then just fill in the gaps with this guy since I don't think it's a gel.
Alright. Oh, it's pink.
Ooh, pinky, winky, 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 pinky. Yeah, because that shit you can pretty much spray wherever and not worry about it. Because it's not gonna. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
It's pink, so it's gonna match the color of the paint.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just, for some reason, feel like it's less dangerous. I have no idea why.
Little squirts.
Corolla can have a little squirt as a treat.
This is precision squirting.
Yeah. Check out my new website. This is like that shit that comes out of the gun at the car wash.
Yeah.
Bro, this fucking hood stay just keeps fucking up the focus on the camera. We just want to say a quick shout out to the EPA. We love you guys. Please just keep watching.
Alright, can we start scrubbing?
No way, bro.
We
let it sit and we hook up the pressure washer.
Oh, then we pressure it, wash it?
Yeah, bro.
You think?
Yeah, bro. Alright, we got this shitty electric pressure washer that we've used before. It's okay. Yeah. I guarantee you, after my flawless hookup, there will be no leaks.
It looks like it's working real good.
Yeah. This is like how the robots are gonna take over. Like, this is a pressure washer that cleans itself. Like, soon we're gonna have robots that build their own robots. The strategy with these cheap ass little guys, this is my theory, I have no idea. This is the first time testing this theory. Because like every time you turn it on, it just doesn't do anything for like 20 minutes and it pisses you off. Makes a bunch of water and then just stops working. I mean, makes a bunch of noise and not a lot of water. It's because I never like bleed it. Like, I think squirting shit through it, bleeding it, I think that's the strat. And then you turn it on so the pump's not full of air. I'm gonna wash down this car. You know when you're like, you're ready for that pressure wash, you know? You're really just hurting for that squirting. And it just finally goes off and it's like,
Really hurting for that squirt.
Yeah. I think we're gonna test this bitch out. Yeah, usually it makes a lot more noise than that. I'm a genius. I found the secret.
Alright, dude, I'm getting antsy. Let me hit this bitch.
Alright. What's up, Caleb?
What up, man?
What up?
I'm freaking tired.
Yeah, you kind
Put
of
the
look
whole
tired.
ass engine in last night.
Yeah. So that'll be in another video. But
Yeah.
Caleb just single-handedly did a motor swap for me last night.
All these little floaties we're breathing in is nice.
Yeah,
Probably gonna rinse off the car after this just so none of it.
that's a good idea. My work here is done.
It looks good. I'm gonna get in there and like do some scrubbing also, so we can make it look pretty good, I think.
I feel like this corner back down here, you
Yeah.
can clearly see like where I just stopped.
Yeah.
Like all that can easily come off.
All right, I'm gonna close this real quick and then spray down the car real quick.
Yeah, good idea.
That's probably good.
Probably good.
All right, so done rinsing. Gonna put it back in the garage real quick, and then we gotta put some of the kit back on and do like the bumper and maybe try to fit the rear bumper because we're thinking about making a t-shirt with this car on it, so stay tuned for that. And then we're gonna take a photo of it, so. Alrighty.
Oh no, it's speedometer.
Trying to grab shit.
This is gonna be our first time seeing the kit all together.
I'm doing some cinematic shit right here, dog. Bam. Close that hood, boy. It's looking good.
We still have to do some alignments with the hood, but
Yeah.
looking good. And with the corner lights in there, look even better.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get some fog lights. The fender goes with perfectly with the bumper.
Yeah.
Obviously it was made for it, but it's just nice how good it works.
Yeah, we might get lucky. It might snug underneath the fenders. And it's not gonna fit. Alright, no rear bumper.
We would have to do a lot of cutting, but Fine Line Tuning has a bumper that fits this kit, and they're sending that out. We just don't have it right now, so.
That's sick. Fuck, let's roll around and take some pictures, brother. Brother.
All right, so the front bumper still has to be angled down a little bit, and a couple other little tiny fitment things that we're just gonna have to do once we get the engine in there and driving and everything. Right now we're not too worried about all that junk.
There's not a lot of purpose in fixing all that shit because we're gonna tear it all off to do the swap anyway. So.
Yeah, this isn't what it's gonna look like when it's done, but it looks fucking sick. A lot of people were curious how, because like on the original N2 kit, there's a front lip that mounts with the bumper, but this bumper already has a front lip like built into it. So the flares were just made to fit the lines of the front bumper, so.
Already you can kind of tell how much cleaning up the engine bay is like transformed this thing.
Yeah.
Engine bay really was the nastiest part.
I gotta pull these up. It was even nastier than the interior.
Yeah, so having that degreased a little bit, getting some of the stock color back in it, makes it look a lot nicer. Makes it kind of match the paint job a little bit. We were actually saying that the factory silver and this new purple color go together really well, so there's not really any point in painting the engine bay.
Got some Griot's Garage track spray I'm gonna use in some of the little spots we missed, and then just start like scrubbing things that didn't really get hit with the pressure washer.
Damn, they actually cleaned it up so nice. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I did not
Forget
expect
engine degreaser next time. Just throw some of that shit on there.
that. For real. God damn.
Shout out Griot's Garage.
Huge shout out Griot's. What the? Every time we use one of their products, we're like, holy shit, we forgot how good these guys are.
Yeah, so this is gonna be just a lot of elbow grease in this shit. Can't imagine we'll film all of this, and I imagine I won't finish this today. So maybe we'll go to Popeyes.
Oh, hopefully.
What's his old accordion technique?
Just two of the exact same. Take your pick.
Pick your choose.
Lots of elbow grease.
And forearm grease. Oh yeah. Dirty hole becomes a clean hole.
So it's looking a little better. Yeah.
Spot on par with that. Well, it's actually cleaner than this side. And this side was our clean sides.
Before, after.
Oh.
Before and after.
Get this one right here.
Look at that sludge crudge. Powerful scrubbing action. Dang, that's a clean engine, babe.
Been doing some work on this for a while. It's turning out pretty good. Also, Quincy showed up. You guys
Quincy.
might possibly remember him from the video we did at Griot's Garage. He was there.
Yeah, the meat video.
Yeah, he had this really weird monologue.
Hit you with that custom Grill 420 monologue.
Yeah.
Not happening again.
What
One
on
time
YouTube?
only.
Yeah, one time only.
One time only.
He came down. We're having a little get together tonight for New Year's, and
Right on time.
is down here is kind of fucked up. So
Yeah, I think that's just like leaky master cylinder and heat from the headers.
yeah,
So
it's
that's
really yellow and
yeah,
gross.
the paint is coming off, so there's not. You can't shine that very well.
But like places like this, I got to scrub in and get kind of like in the creases a lot better than we were able to with the pressure washer, and it's really starting to look good. Like just step away and you can kind of, it just looks
Get a
way
sense
better
of
than
it,
it did. Yeah.
Holy shit, without a Quainton in there, it looks good.
Yeah, right.
Almost as nice as Dylan's engine bay. Check out Go Time. Link in description.
Right, well,
Fuck, I don't know. I guess that's it.
I guess that's it. Maybe we'll throw in some beer drinking clips later.
Yeah, you guys need to do more clips of like your life.
Yeah.
That's why people watch you guys. It's for you guys.
All right. Well, we're hearing it here first from a man who watches our videos. So I guess maybe we'll film later. This won't be the end. We won't outro now, so we'll be inclined to outro later.
True.
Cut to blackout me throwing up.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, vlog?
Yo, what's up? It's
we're-
me, Josh.
And it's me, Quincy. We're
Yeah,
at the
boys, more
yeah.
skids.
Keep getting the camera angle fucked up. It's all mirrored.
I can't see the camera at all. I don't know what's the fucking puffballs in front of
Oh,
it.
here, can you see?
Yeah, okay, yeah, but you're out of the focus. You're out of the
Whoa.
thing now. Alright, we out here playing beer pong.
We're at
They're
the
just throwing
party.
a cup around. It's not really beer pong.
We're doing party things.
Yeah.
Herman's
There's
in the
Herman and Cat the Herman.
Oh, Herman, what a boy.
What a, he's just squirming around, dude.
Herman, Herman.
I think so. There's like
Yeah.
a 30% chance. Out of 100, there's a 30% chance.
I think we forgot that we were gonna film tonight.
Fuck it.
Is that Mike?
No. We call him Jim.
That's on Josh.
Yeah. It's on the
Thanks for watching, guys. Shout out to our patrons.
Doing the intro already?
Outro.
Oh, yeah. Fuck. I was gonna film some clips.
Yeah, let's not outro yet. Well, I'll chill on that.
It's my name, Jeff.
My name is Jay.
I feel like the Suns want Jeff more.
Yo, you know, almost everyone, not everyone, not even close to everyone, but a lot of people comment, yo, what is that song at the end of the video? This is the man who makes it. It's called Band Man by G. Off Jarman.
It's actually, my name Jeff Jarman.
No. Look up Band Man by Jeff Jarman. Just search it on Google, you'll find it on his name. So there it is.
It's on Sand Clamp.
Sand Clan, man.
Sand Clamp.
For
ComicSands.com.
ComicSandClan.com.
Oh, yep.
We're gonna get fucked up now. That's what's
Wait.
gonna happen.
Is this for your channel or his channel?
This is his channel. I don't know if he's gonna use any of this, but I'm still.
Oh, we'll use it.
That's a shame.
What?
Oh, this is you don't even need to go into first, bro. Just fucking drop the clutch. Put it in
That's
second.
actually true.
Yeah.
Rev it up.
Put it in second. Drop the clutch. Fucking skirt. Oh. Dude, I want to contract coronavirus, bro. Hey, going off road. Hey. You didn't realize you were driving a 4Runner.
I'm ready.
Quentin, your pizza's done.
Holy shit! Who is this guy?
So if you look here, you see we have a storm coming in from this side. And over the next few weeks, we'll have some balls coming in from this side. I'm Jeff You Betcha, and this has been Q13 Fox Weather.
I got the ball. I can pack a ball.
Wait, we're going bowling?
Yo! It's about to get
Outro.
much worse.
Alright,
You
so
better sing it, dude. Sing it into that. Sing it into the
I can't sing.
Come on.
30,000 100 million bands in my oil pan.
Oh yeah, you do the outro and I'll do that.
Alright.
I have it.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for checking out our Patreon and our merch store. Huge shout out to our patrons. We're about to list like a big old list of them in a second. And it's gonna play this song that Jeff wrote.
30,000 100 million fans in my band, and another 100 trillion bands in my oil pan. Call me Bill Gates, I'm the motherfucking band man. Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Ooh, yeah. Blah blah blah, pussy, money, money, weed. Yada yada yada, got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account.